According to a 2011 Bitcoin investor, now is the ideal moment to purchase SHIB. In addition, a great deal of news on SHIB has recently surfaced. You cannot afford to miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or if you own any SHIB tokens. What is the most recent information on Shiba Inu Coin, and how will it impact the breed's value? I'll be responding to these queries and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. Since I spent a lot of time researching for this video, please make sure to watch through to the very end to avoid missing anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. But before we get into our subject, let's check at the chart and see what the Shiba price is doing on April 2nd. The cost of a Shiba Inu is now around 2613 units. With $988 million worth of trades during the course of the day, SHIB's price is down 9.6% from the previous day. The token is presently the 13th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market worth of more than $15.4 billion. Please remember that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. This is not investment advice. Let's start the video for today now. SHIB is expected to continue its bull run trend from 2021. After essentially being in the rear for over 2 years, Shiba Inu finally broke beyond the 4,000 unit barrier in March of 2024. In 2021, SHIB's price surged so much that early investors became billionaires in less than a year. Between August 2020 and October 2021, it had a peak of 85 million%, providing early holders with profits that changed their lives. The Bitcoin market has never seen a rise like this one before. Shiba Inu brought in new and first-time investors from all around the globe during the 2021 bull run. The new investors entered the SHIB market in the expectation that it will repeat its 2021 surge. Another group of investors might earn incredible gains and live well if the surge picks up steam. According to analysts, SHIB may rise once again, just as it did in 2021. Cryptocurrency expert Rekt Capital, who uses by pseudonym, advised his over 500,000 ex-followers that SHIB can repeat its 2021 bull run. He clarified when displaying the charts that Shiba Inu might be mimicking a pattern last saw in the bull market of 2021. In the end, SHIB made it to the blue resistance, but in the latter part of 2021, it was rejected. Additionally, SHIB failed to overcome blue resistance on the first try. Actually, SHIB was compelled to retest the orange level as new support in late 2021 after the blue resistance failure in order to affirm more gains. SHIB is now retesting the orange level at this time. Is history becoming more like itself? He tweeted, "It would be greatly appreciated if you could go ahead and hit the like button if you were still watching. It is completely free and really helps with channel support." However, stay tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu news and developments about the Shiba Inu currency. If SHIB reaches 0.003, how many tokens are needed to generate millions? In light of the state of the market, achieving the status of Shiba Inu millionaire requires careful planning and prompt action. In light of the present state of the market, purchasing SHIB now might result in significant profits. Still, how much SHIB is required to ensure $1 million or $5 million wealth is an open topic. The calculation is straightforward for prospective SHIB millionaires, hoping to reach the $1 million or $5 million milestone for 0.003 each coin. Subtract the price of 0.003 from the intended aim of $1 million. This calculation results in the purchase of 333 million SHIB. The cost of this strategic investment today may be calculated by multiplying the amount of SHIB by the current price. That comes to a total of $9,603. This basic computation applies to investors who want to make $5 million when SHIB eventually moves up to the 0.003 price level. In the long-run trade world, it is possible to become a billionaire Shiba Inu, but it does need a significant cash base. The math is straightforward for prospective SHIB billionaires aiming to reach the $5 million mark for 0.003 per coin. Divide the intended goal of $5 million by the price of 0.003. The purchase of 1.66 billion SHIB is the result of this computation. The cost of this strategic investment today may be calculated by multiplying the amount of SHIB by the current price. The total is $48,133. Now for the major narrative of today's video. Invest in a Shiba Inu, an early adopter of Bitcoin, reiterates their advice. Since 2011, Deventi Jeremy, an enthusiast for Bitcoin, has encouraged anyone involved in the cryptocurrency industry to include Shiba Inu in their investing portfolio. In a recent post on X, Jeremy made this appeal in response to a crypto enthusiast who shared his thoughts on buying Shiba Inu in hopes of making long-term profits. Jeremy gave a straightforward yes in response. Interestingly, the discussion's background centers on his 2013 endorsement of Bitcoin investing. Jeremy encouraged the investing public to purchase Bitcoin in a 2013 video that was uncovered by Bitcoin magazine, sparking the start of the discussion. Jeremy pleaded with investors in the video to buy Bitcoin even with only $1. He emphasized that everyone should have $1 invested in Bitcoin and said that doing so will pay off in the long run. When Jeremy filed this appeal on May 9, 2013, the maximum price of Bitcoin was $140,000. The asset is currently trading at $70,000, more than 10 years later. That means that if someone had invested $1 in Bitcoin in 2013 and stayed onto it until today, they would have seen a $613 return on their investment if they had heeded Jeremy's advice. More intriguingly, someone would have received 8.77 Bitcoin tokens if they had chosen to invest $1,000 in Bitcoin at that moment. At the current price of Bitcoin, these tokens are worth around $70,000, or $614,000. Because of the extraordinary success of his investment call, Jeremy feels comfortable endorsing other tokens that he thinks have the potential to achieve a comparable level of success. Some members of the cryptocurrency community have criticized his new promotion decisions in the meantime. He said, "Back in the day, people hated me for shilling Bitcoin, calling it a scam," in response to his detractors. Never miss it once again. Ex-user Milad inquired about investing in Shiba Inu with the Bitcoin supporter based on this basis. In response, Jeremy said that SHIB has the potential to be valuable in the long run. It's interesting to note that Jeremy has already made direct appeals for Shiba Inu investments. When questioned last year about which cryptocurrency is worth acquiring, he responded in a similar manner. At the time, SHIB was trading for 790 units. Therefore, at the present price of SHIB, an investor who had invested $10,000 in Shiba Inu would have made a profit of $26,000 in only 5 months. This is the video where he first discussed Shiba Inu. The second layer is really effective. I'll be curious to see how this turns out. The long-term potential of Shiba Inu, interestingly, Shiba Inus have previously shown to be a reliable long-term investment vehicle. It sticks out as maybe the most successful cryptocurrency enterprise with meme inspiration. For example, SHIB reports an incredible 3,530,049,973% return on investment from its all-time low in September 2020. Among its early users, Shiba Inus have infatuatedly produced a number of millionaires and even a few billionaires. Some early adopters who made the decision to part ways with the asset too soon now tell regretful stories about how they might have made significant riches if they had recognized its long-term potential. An African investor, for instance, lost out on a $108,000 profit from Shiba Inu since they sold the asset when their portfolio was just $500. Because they trust the Shiba Inu developers and the true worth of SHIB, many of our subscribers remark that they will not be selling SHIB for the next 5 years and will instead keep millions of them. What many of ones do you guys have? Remember to provide a list of your SHIB holdings in the following comments area. Let's give the SHIB Bureau credit for having faith in the procedure. If you find the video entertaining, please subscribe to the channel, Give the video a large thumbs up and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments section. In order to get updates whenever we upload a new video, don't forget to enable post notifications.